Hello, everyone. My name is Alan Proshevsky. I am a senior backend engineer for the defense stage at GitLab, and I would like today talk about multi-dismiss vulnerabilities and features that we've been adding to support it. So first feature would be to add new fields that will allow you to use REST API to create vulnerability feedback dismissal, and as well looking at user permissions for given vulnerability and being able to list findings, because these are the things that you need to create the vulnerability feedback. Okay, let's jump to GraphQL and let's take a look. I already have a query that will get me all for a single project, all vulnerabilities with given ID. So I would like now to add the createVulnerabilityFeedbackDismissalPath. That's the first thing I want to see. The second thing, I want to see if I have certain permissions. We've added all permissions. You can list all permissions related to vulnerabilities here. I'm interested only in createVulnerabilityFeedback for a given vulnerability. And the last thing would be to view all findings, and actually only findings IDs and projectFingerprint. So I would like to get ID plus projectFingerprint, and now I'm ready to do the call. So as you can see, we have information about given project, of course, vulnerabilities, and for each vulnerability, we have path, we have the permissions, all are set to true. We have findings with ID for each finding and projectFingerprint. So actually, we're good to go. We can take a look at take those values and simply use them in REST API that is provided here to create vulnerability feedback for dismissal. Now let me switch to another quick and small change. We added new mutation to dismiss vulnerability. That will be mutation added to GraphQL API. So using the GraphQL API, you'll be able to dismiss single vulnerability as well as all related findings for it, and also supply a message. So also supply a comment that you'd like to notify about the reason why given a vulnerability was dismissed. Okay, so let me go to GraphQL and let's start with new dismissal vulnerability. Okay, so here I need to provide the ID. So maybe let's start with query. I'll just quickly go to the query. Maybe I'll copy the query that I had here. Okay, because I'm interested in vulnerabilities only, and I would like to have the ID of them, because this is the ID I need to use. Okay, maybe let's also list state, because I would like to dismiss only things that are already in detected state. So let's see at the state. We should have at least one, I believe. So let's quickly take a look here. Okay, we have a state. So let's take this one, 52. Now I'm good to go with the mutation. So mutation is called dismiss vulnerability, and I need to supply that ID. So I'm adding it. This is the ID, and let's also add a like a comment for it. I'll just add that this is no fix. All right. Now I'm interested in errors, if there might be a possibility that something bad could happen, but also I'm interested in if the state was changed. So let me just grab the ID of the dismiss vulnerability plus the state. So remember, we are doing that for vulnerability with ID 52. Previously it was in detected state. Now I'll do the same to actually dismiss it. So let me start, and it was dismissed. So let's take a look if that is true. I'll again list all vulnerabilities and take a look at the one with 52. Yeah, it is dismissed. So that was it for multi-dismissal and standalone vulnerabilities. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.